Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 Featured Trade Idea, the setup and trade plan for Tuesday, August 28, 2018. Today's featured trade idea will be Frontier Communications, FTR. FTR is working on a rounded bottom breakout. You can see that it's been in a bullish trend here since, well, let's call it a month. It's since the latter part of July. And higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And it's working on now holding what was resistance, holding that is a support level on what was Monday a Morningstar type of signal. And today, on Monday then got a Doji or spinning top type indecisive follow through, but holding that potential support level. I'll be looking for it to break above these last 1-2 wicks and above the body of this high wick day. So let's call that. Well, actually, let's just put it right in there, right at the top of this this wick from the 20th. So let's go ahead and put that at 580, 582, someplace right in there, with a stop just down in below, just below the low from Monday, which was 555. So let's call this 550. I don't know, 553, something like that. The first target up here, if we go out to a weekly chart, we can see that the first target is defined by a couple of touches there and a couple touches here. Could we move this up a little bit and lose these touches? Sure. Could we move it down a little bit to get these touches there and lose some of these? Sure. But it's in this area. Support and resistance levels are not meant to be 1 penny wide. We've got another level up here with 4 touches there and touch there and touch there and there. We've got another level up here where we've got a bunch of touches there and a couple touches there and a few touches in here, I guess 4 or so. So some fairly well defined levels. Going back to the daily now, you can see where those are laid out. So we'll be using 2 targets. This first target was the first one that I showed you defined by a few touches. On the daily chart, it shows up a little bit better with more touches. Could it be squeezed up or down? Yes, it could. The same thing with this one, several touches in here, across some tops in there. But the 200 will be about there when we get there, so that's another indicator to have it about where it's at. So let's see if we can't plan a trade. You see that FTR reported the end of July, so we've got plenty of time. We've got the 4 bullish conditions. 1 bearish condition, which is the symbol bias. The last 5 days is not positive. It's just sideways here, a little bit down. We've got the rounded bottom breakout pattern, and that probably should be a bullish factor as well. We have no signal on Tuesday morning here. Well, Monday night. Let's plan this as 1 entry and 2 exits. What did I say here? About, yeah, 581. That's close enough for me. Adjust these as you feel appropriate. And I think I said 555. As my stop. First target up here, let's call it 655. And the second target up here at 725. Again, selling just in front of those levels, selling into strength, not into the resistance there. Trader Vision says we can do 576 shares. Let's look at 600. Yeah, 600 only gives us a 3 1/3% position. That works. $156 of risk if we're stopped out here. If we sell half the position at that first target, we're picking up almost 13%, 12 3/4%, and 2.85 to 1. If we had to sell the entire position at that first target, we could easily clear our trade goal by picking up $444 in profit. But if we can hold on to half of it to that second target, we'll pick up almost 25% overall to that second target, giving us an overall trade of close to 19% and $654 in profit. So that will be the trade idea for Tuesday. Please evaluate this against your view of the market. The bulls have been raging, but we're at all-time highs. Also against your trading style, your rules and criteria. And if you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. Regardless, we wish you the best of luck. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons if you enjoy these videos. And we hope to see you in the trading room.